Have you ever wished you could read any book or write anything you want all in English? It's day 7 of our English adventure, and I'm Professor English. Today, we're going to make reading and writing in English both fun and effective. If you've enjoyed our journey so far, remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more great lessons. First, let's do some reading exercises. I will show you a short paragraph and we will read it together. The cat is on the mat. The sun is shining. The flowers are blooming. Repeat after me. The cat is on the mat. The sun is shining. The flowers are blooming. Great! Now, let's read these sentences. John likes to play soccer. He plays with his friends every Saturday. They have a lot of fun. Repeat after me. John likes to play soccer. He plays with his friends every Saturday. They have a lot of fun. Now, let's practice writing. I will give you a topic and you write a short paragraph about it. First topic, write about your favorite hobby. Here's an example. My favorite hobby is reading. I love books about adventure and mystery. Reading helps me relax and learn. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and write about your favorite hobby. Okay, so how did you do? What was your favorite hobby? Now, the next topic, let's write about your family. Here's an example. I have a small family. There are 4 people. My mom, dad, sister, and me. We enjoy spending time together and going on trips. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and write about your family. Okay, so how did you do? How many people do you have in your family? Here are some tips to improve your reading and writing skills. Read English books, newspapers, and magazines. Write a daily journal about your day. Write emails and letters in English. Practice a little every day. Read this short passage. Emily has a small garden. She grows tomatoes, carrots, and flowers. Every morning, Emily waters her plants and checks for bugs. She loves seeing her garden grow and often shares the fresh vegetables with her neighbors. Write a summary of the passage. For example, Emily has a garden where she grows vegetables and flowers. She takes care of her plants daily and shares the vegetables with her neighbors. Now it's your turn to practice. Pause the video and write a short summary about Emily and her garden. Have fun. Write about another topic. Describe your favorite place to visit. What do you like about it and why? For example, a sunny beach, or even your grandma's kitchen. Write a few sentences. Check your writing for any grammar mistakes. Pause the video and write 2 to 3 sentences. Remember, practicing reading and writing will help you improve your English skills. How did you do? What is your favorite place to visit? Let's do a quick quiz to test your skills. I will read a sentence and you write it down. Here's the first sentence. The cat is on the mat. Next sentence. John likes to play soccer. One more. My favorite hobby is reading. Great job. Well done today. You did a fantastic job with your reading and writing practice. Now, it's time for today's challenge. Write 2 to 3 sentences from your short story in the comments below. I'd love to read what you came up with. Keep practicing your reading and writing, and remember, every bit of practice helps you get better. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future lessons. See you next time for more English learning fun.